Today I'm off to the library. I got some books to return. I just put them here. I'm gonna look for some of my favorite books. I wonder if they got any books about the Titanic. I'll have a look if I can find one. I might have found one. Yes, I did. I found one. I also like learning about computers. I can't see any books about computers. I'll go ask. Excuse me, Clea. I was wondering, do you have any coding books?
Ooh, if we do, I can think of a couple of places there'd be. A little bit empty at the moment. We've got the...
One coding book, which I think is good. I found this great book about fish. Ooh, epic. I really love seahorses. These African ones, splendid. Can we please get these books out, please?
Yes, absolutely. Have you got a library card with you today?
Gosh.
Give you that back.
Thank you.
I also found this one in the adult section. You know, we didn't have any books in the children's section for coding.
Yeah.
But this one is intended for young people, so I wonder if you'd like to get that out too.
Yes, I would.
You've got a really good selection there, Frank. I hope you enjoy them.
Okay, thank you. I got all the books I need.